could be your vortex, baby. I could wash away your pain. Wait. The following video is being recorded without a script. I'm sorry, I am such a mess without a script. Okay, so holy crap, Vortex is going to close. What a twist. I'm beginning to wonder if the director of operations is actually M. Night Shyamalan at this park. Shyamalan? Because, oh my god. So, last season everybody was speculating like what roller coaster was going to be removed because Kings Island was teasing that they were going to remove a roller coaster. I always wonder about what Kings Island is doing with their like marketing and their PR because it's so weird to just tease that you're going to remove a roller coaster instead of just announce it. But anyways, everybody was wondering like if it was going to be Firehawk or Vortex, and we all know that it wound up being Firehawk. And me, I was like, no way, there's no way that they're going to remove Vortex. Obviously it was going to be Firehawk, but it wasn't really that obvious. I was really just kind of lying to myself because if you've been watching this channel for a while now, then you probably know that I'm an Aero enthusiast. I've brought it up in multiple videos. Shockwave at Six Flags America. Shockwave. I might have hinted at it in all of my videos. I might have talked about it in all of my videos. I don't remember. But yes, I talk about aerodynamics a lot and the aero loopers in general. One of my first roller coasters was Demon at my home park. That was my first time experiencing inversions. I was terrified of like what a loop was going to feel like. I love the way the aero track looks. I could go on and on, but these are classic coasters and I love them, and I feel like just looping coasters in general is kind of a dying breed. I don't know. Maybe that's kind of stupid, but a lot of roller coasters coming out right now, they kind of just focus on doing everything. So yeah, Vortex closing after 33 seasons. Final rides are on October 27th. That's kind of short notice, but not the worst. It's not as bad as Volcano. Obviously, Volcano, they didn't really have much of a choice though, but that's neither here or there. But I am obviously heartbroken about this. Vortex was one of my favorite roller coasters at Kings Island. I haven't ridden it many times. I've only ridden it twice. I think twice. I went to Kings Island once, 2 years ago, and I'm very happy that I did because I was able to get on Firehawk and Vortex before they both closed down. And also I was able to get Mystic Timbers, my favorite wooden roller coaster. So Mystic Timbers and Beast were like my favorite roller coasters at the park, but then Vortex was probably my third favorite if I'm being honest. Flight of Fear and Vortex pretty close, but you know me as an aerodynamics looper enthusiast. Of course, I was really excited to be on Vortex. I was just overjoyed sitting in that seat. I sat in car 6, often referred to as the magic car, the aero magic seat, if you will. And dare I say, I thought it was actually a smooth ride. Wow. Yeah, the transitions are kind of weird, but I thought it was smooth. Of course, Vortex being a very historical aero looper, it was the roller coaster with the most inversions at the time that it opened, and it was also the tallest roller coaster when it opened. We can only speculate on why this ride is closing. Obviously, it didn't have very high ridership. There has been some hinting by the park that there is high maintenance involved with this coaster, so Cedar Fair is just not fooling around with these roller coasters with like Firehawk and Volcano and now Vortex. It's sad, but I guess I get it. With Shockwave being gone, one of my all-time personal favorite roller coasters for very biased reasons, I was very excited to ride Vortex, and it kind of just like filled that void because it's so similar to Shockwave in a way. I'm gonna have to go all the way to Magic Mountain now to go on Viper, or go all the way over to Darien Lake and go on that Viper. That one is pretty dope. So yeah, just a quick video about how I'm kind of bummed out about this. I really loved Vortex. I'll have to make a video about the history of Vortex and also make a review. Very historical coaster for Kings Island, for aerodynamics, and just in general, it's a big loss for the coaster community, I think. A lot of people don't like it. I've said it before many times, the aero restraints don't fit everyone. They don't fit a lot of people actually. So a lot of people did think that this was not a very comfortable roller coaster, but for me it was just the perfect dose of nostalgia and I'll miss it. It's really hard to say what will replace Vortex, but they have to have plans for something kind of soon, right? Like not next year, but maybe the following year? It's kind of a weird spot to just have nothing there because it's like smack dab in the middle of the park. Like they have to be putting a roller coaster there, right? or like it has to be a big attraction because it's such a great view for taking pictures. We've all seen the same picture of Vortex. I took the same picture of Vortex. Everybody's sick of that picture of Vortex, but now it's going away, and so we're going to miss seeing that picture of Vortex like 20 times every season, right? Or 100 times. If I had to guess what's going there, maybe like a launch mat coaster similar to Copperhead Strike, or maybe a Gertzlauer Infinity coaster. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you have any predictions, because I would be interested in seeing some of those. So yeah, history and review of Vortex, that's a video that I'm gonna have to do. It's probably gonna be quite a while. A little channel update here. I am working on a history and review video of Goliath at Six Flags Great America. I also bought this book because I would like to do a book review on The Beast by R.L. Stine. I've never read it before, and it's kind of funny. So yeah, hopefully that will be ready in time for Halloween. That would be fun. Things are just kind of slow over here. I'm also working on an album right now, so yeah, thanks for sticking with me. Sorry videos aren't coming faster right now, but yeah. More to come. And rest in peace, Vortex. I can just imagine M. Night Shyamalan being the one that's like, ooh, are you going to get RMC Beast? The Beast is alive. Outpost 5 is alive. Oh, nope, you're getting Leviathan, except it's a space boy. We have an announcement for you on National Roller Coaster Day. It's Antique Cars. What's in the shed? Fuck you, it's nothing.